Oh, we're doing it now. Okay. Hi, I'm Tiffany McCall and welcome to SugarX. Today we're going to be making hand-decorated sugar cookies. We're going to be starting with a basic sugar cookie dough. I've always loved baking, but I didn't get into cookie decorating until 2011. I actually worked for a publishing company and someone gave me a book of hand-decorated cookies and was like, I think you'll like this. I opened it up, they were so cute. My boss was having a baby shower and I was like, I'm gonna try to make them. And I've been making them ever since. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flood these. I'm gonna outline them first and then I'm gonna go back and flood them in. The only difference with these is I'm going to outline them side by side, flood them side by side, and then I'm going to sprinkle them while they're still wet so that it sticks. A good yeast donut, like the best of the best. I'm not a big cake donut person. I'm not going to be that. Cake donuts are also delicious, but